Alright, so we've got our top line KPIs now. Although now that I'm looking at these, it looks like I made some minor typos here. So this is actually year over year percentage change, and this is month over month. Alright, so now these are going to be the KPI cards in my dashboard. So let's start creating them. I'm going to add a text box. And as you now know from the last project, we can link this to the value of a cell directly. So in the formula bar, I'm going to press equals, and then just select the cell that I want it to be equal to. Press enter. We get the same value, which is dynamic. And then we can just apply some formatting. Let's remove the outline. Let's make this bold as well. And a little bit bigger. Alright, so this is our main KPI card, but for my contextual KPIs, which are these right here, I want to use color to make the distinction between a positive and a negative change. And to do that, we can use conditional formatting rules. So with both of my cells selected, I'm going to go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and add a new rule. I'm going to select the second option, so format only cells that contain, and we want the cell value to be greater than 0 for the positive changes, and the format that we want to apply is a green color to indicate positive change. So press OK, and you'll see that because these are positive, we do get a green color. Now let's select them one more time. Again, conditional formatting, new rule. And now whenever the cell value is less than 0, so for the negative changes, we want to format them as red. Press OK. And now I'm just going to change one of these to see if it worked. And it looks like it did. Now I did get rid of my formula now, so I'm going to undo. And this is back. And now let's add our text boxes. So insert, shapes, text box. And now let's link it to this cell. So it's going to be equal to cell E5. Press enter. And it looks like our conditional formatting didn't carry over here. Now we could select this and make it green. But the problem, whoops, one more time. But the problem is that if this changes, then this will remain as green since we just applied a fixed color. And unfortunately, there's no way to apply conditional formatting to the text in my text box. So it looks like text boxes aren't going to work for us here. Now before I delete this, I'm going to undo just so that I recover my formula here. Now I can delete my text box. And even though text boxes aren't going to work here, in the next lecture, I'm going to show you a quick pro tip to show you how we can accomplish this. So stick around.